Hey guys, it's me again, and today I've got another Hot Wheels Monster Jam / Hot Wheels Monster Truck unboxing, and today I'm going to be unboxing a couple of different Hot Wheels Monster Truck items. So first we have a Monster Jam truck, the Mud Treads Aftershock. Here's the first one. We have Local Punk versus Pure Muscle. Here's Hound Hauler. It's got like a Chroma Frost paint job this time. It's got a maroon chassis and some new blue rims, which I think is really cool. And here's Hound Hauler. A little bit of a different yellowish paint job, I think. It's got a green edge glow roll cage and a new color of wheels. We have Megarex, the blue one. It's got a blue chassis and blue rims. Now I think that's really cool. Leopard Shark now has a green chassis and blue rims. One out of these, the Scorcher versus 32 Degrees. Well, we're gonna start with the Monster Jam. Here's the crushable car, and here's the actual monster truck. Aftershock has been one of my favorite monster trucks of all time. Aftershock is sadly not my hometown truck, but I do like it. Aftershock is an independent truck, because there are times it will not compete with Monster Jam. But it is linked to Monster Jam, even though it's an independent truck. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's cool to see it one more time before Hot Wheels, because you know Hot Wheels is done making the Monster Jam trucks because of Spin Master and all of that. But I mean, we still got a bright future ahead of us for Hot Wheels as they make the new monster trucks. Yeah, so very nice, and I think they did a good job with the mud graphics this time. So let's get into the monster trucks this time. So we'll start with Local Punk and Pure Muscle. I've already read the stats for Local Punk, but I will read the stats for Pure Muscle, even though and I'm not going to review the actual Pure Muscle truck because I'm pretty sure everyone knows what that looks like, but I will read the stats for it. So the truck name is Pure Muscle, truck type pickup, strength raw V8 power, crash attack strong arm scramble, and motivation to leave them feeling weak. It does have the same paint job as the Local Punk from the original 2-pack. Just the thing that's new about this one is its rim color and chassis. So yeah, Local Punk looks pretty good. This is actually my first time reviewing the one with the black and brown paint job. But I will show the other variation of this Local Punk in maybe a collection video. But I wanted to show you guys this one because of its new orange chassis and brownish rims to match the brown cab. And I think this is a lot better look for the 2-pack version of Local Punk. So the next one I'll do is Hound Hauler. The stats for each of the trucks. Alright, let's get it to focus. There we go. Name, Hound Hauler, truck type, creature, strength, barking exhaust. Crash attack is bite and chew. Motivation is to bury their bones. And then for Hound Hauler, name Hound Hauler, truck type is city. Strength is giant pet carrier. Crash attack is dog pound punch, and motivation to make him howl. And I did review the 2-pack of Baja Buster and Hot Wheels Racing #1, so if you want to see that, go check it out. I will first do Hound Hauler. Come on. I really like the shiny Chromafrost paint job that they gave it this time. And I really like the new chassis that they gave it as well. Hound Hauler has been one of my favorite castings. So yeah, I can't wait to see what other creature truck castings they do for the rest of the series as we move on for the Hot Wheels monster trucks. I also like the maroon chassis and the blue rims. I think that's really cool. So I like this version of Hound Hauler a lot better than the previous one. So that's really cool. Glad to add it to the collection. I have the updated Hound Hauler. Hound Hauler looks pretty good. I think they got rid of the metal flake on this one. It's now just a regular, typical glossy paint. I think that's cool that they brought back the Edge Glow roll cages just for the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks line. And I do like the mustardish gold rims that they put on it. I think that's... I like that a lot better than the aqua blue rims on the original version of Hound Hauler. I do have that, by the way. I will show it in my collection video. Yeah, I do apologize for not reviewing the other designs and stuff. I've just been busy and all that. And I just sometimes I want to enjoy my trucks. That's why they now do the new 3D renders for... Alright, so truck type, so name is Megarex, truck type creature, strength Tyranno teeth, crash attack is Dinobite, and motivation to make his rivals extinct. And Leopard Shark, named Leopard Shark, truck type creature, strength Fangtastic teeth, crash attack is Leopard lunge, and motivation to make them change their spots. So that's a new statistics for a Leopard Shark. I don't think a lot of people noticed that. Alright, so here's Megarex. The new one. It's the same blue paint job as last time, just with a blue chassis and blue rims, just to match it up, make it all blue, I guess. Because the black Megarex that they released a while back, they have it like matching all together. Black paint job, black chassis, black rims. I guess they wanted to do the same thing with the blue Megarex, just to make it more iconic, I guess, more awesome, I guess. Like, I don't know. But Hot Wheels did it anyway. Shark with his new chassis and new rims. I feel like they kind of made the design a little fuzzier this time. Like, it looks a little different. Like it just, I don't know. Like, maybe in another video, I'll have to compare it to the original Leopard Shark, and I'll figure it out. But there is a major difference if you look at the chassis and the rims. But I feel like they did the blue rims to match the blue eye. That I can see. But I feel like they could have done like a red chassis to match like the gums where the teeth are, or maybe a yellow chassis. Let's do Scorcher first. I really like the Edge Glow roll cage on Scorcher. I think that's really cool that they did that. And I like the fire truck looking rims on it a lot better than the original rim color that they did for Scorcher. So I think the 2019 Scorcher is a lot better than the original Wave 1 2018 Scorcher. So yeah, I'm gonna give Mattel a probably an 8 out of 10 on this one. So I like this a lot better than the original. So 2019 is actually alright, and probably my favorite one that I got today, the updated look of 32 Degrees. 32 Degrees, as I mentioned, kind of has like a darker blue surrounding like all the decals and like paint graphics and stuff. And I do like the dark chassis on it. That's really cool. And the gold to match like the outlines where the icebergs are. That's really awesome. So honestly, this version of 32 Degrees is a lot better than the older version. So I like this one a lot better. Yeah, so that's really awesome. Alright, so that was all the trucks I got today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I will see you guys later. Bye.